Alright guys, here I'm unboxing the iPhone 13 today. Just got that a couple days ago. And a new case. I got this from Amazon. The case from the phone carrier were way too much, even on a discount. So, here's the first look at my iPhone 13. Let's see. You gotta pull this to open it up. And when you pull that tab, that means if you return it now, it's going to cost quite a bit to restock it. The only thing that comes with this now, you don't get the cube. SIM card tool and a sticker. It's an expensive sticker. And your lightning cord. Plus the phone, but no more cube. I shot this video with an XR, and that only has one camera, and the lens is smaller than these two. The on-off button is slightly lower than the XR that I have. Fairly simple. Cost a lot. Just to point out, in comparison, rumor is, and I don't know when it'll happen, that Tesla will be coming out with a phone real soon. Have a lot more features than any regular phone that you know about now it'll have. I always get phone cases that really protect my phone in case of a drop. So I get the full case. It's got a screen on it. It's got the plug, for the plug, the cover, and a kickstand. For some reason, I like this kickstand. My other one, it broke just recently, and I've had it for over 2 years. But that's it, guys. My new phone will be in operation soon. Thanks for watching.